Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to integrate a fillable PDF into a Vault app. Take the use case where you have an invoice form and you would like to convert the invoice form into a PDF file so that it can be sent as a soft copy or printed copy to the customers. I have a sample invoice app here. Let's quickly check the invoice form. So here is the invoice form which can capture the customer details, invoice details and product related details. Here is the sample record with some sample data. And I have created a fillable PDF. You can use any PDF creation tool. Here is the company header, the contact details, the company logo, and all the fields which are there in invoice form has been created here. Once your app and fillable PDF is ready, we can integrate that. So let's edit the application to make some modifications. Go to the form where you want to integrate the PDF and create a button. Name this button as create PDF and then add an attachment field from the advanced option. We'll be adding the PDF into this attachment field. Now go to the settings tab, select files on left pane, click on add button and choose the fillable PDF. Now save the application. It is very important to save the application because now we'll be creating a service configuration to integrate the PDF. And if you don't save the application, this PDF file won't be shown in the service configuration. On the left side in the services, select the form, click on add service. In the service catalog dropdown, we have to select fillable PDF. It will show the PDF which we have added. So select the PDF, go to the inputs tab. Now we have to map the source and target fields. Our source is invoice form and target is PDF file. So we'll map each of the fields with the fields in the PDF file. So select customer ID, map there is corresponding field in PDF file. Similarly, customer name, invoice ID, invoice date, and then the product related fields like description, the first row, quantity, price, amount, and then we will also map the second row, description, quantity, price, amount. Rest of the rows you can map. Let's map the total amount field. And now we will map the attachment field. So go to the constant view and on the right side we can see create as attachment. If we check the description, it says if set to true, the field PDF is created as an attachment. So we have to write a true value in this source and select the create as attachment target and map both. On the bottom we can see the source and target which are mapped. Go to the outputs tab. On the source select field PDF and on the target select the attachment field which we have added on the form. Click on OK. Now go to the form again, select PDF button. On the right side properties pane, select caller service and in the drop down select the service configuration. Save the application and deploy the changes to the server. Now we'll check the create PDF button. Let's go to the sample form and we can see a create PDF button here. When we click it, the PDF has been generated. When you open the attachment, we can see the data has been transferred from the invoice form to the fillable PDF. We can also download this PDF file using this option. And when we open the PDF using a PDF viewing tool, we can see the data from the invoice form in the PDF file. So this is how we can integrate the fillable PDF into a Vault app. We have used no coding to do this job. So this is the power of domino vault. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.